Welcome back. Today I am in Gainesville at Sick Week 2022 Day 3. And today I'm going to focus on showing you guys the Mopars. So let's go.
Yeah, he ain't giving us the check, so that thing might be withdrawn.
Nice clean duster.
And again, Frank Wannick,
Don't know the setup on this one. It's B-class, so it's a pretty fast car right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Got a good time for you on this one as well.
But we got to get those lanes full first. So again, fill up 1 and 2, and if 2 gets full, fill up.
I have a couple more Mopars I want to share with you guys. This thing is super impressive. Twin turbo, Ritter block, aluminum heads, twin turbo, and don't remember the times on it. I'll try to get you some times on it later, but incredible car. His buddy here, this is obviously a notchback Mustang with a 6.4 Hemi block, running stock crankshaft and aluminum heads. He's got custom rods and pistons in it, 88mm turbo, and this car runs 850s to the quarter mile. So just two super incredible. A lot of Mopar on the outside, but a Mopar and got Goofy over there getting some audio for us. But anyway, these two cars are super impressive, and just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll get you some more Mopars here in a minute.
I know Chad's got a whole bunch of those in his train.
A couple of little turbo Mopars for you guys. Saw this blue one the other day run a 10.5. Haven't seen the black one run yet. Been spending a lot of time in the pits looking at cars. The minivan here is pretty cool. It's a pretty basic setup. It's an original turbo van, which he added an intercooler and some other modifications to the intake manifold. But he had an okay run in the 13s the other day. I've only seen him run one time. Not sure if that's a good time for him or not. Didn't really discuss that with him, but did talk to him about the van for a little bit, and he restored it. Paint job's super nice, interior's nice, and you know, just a nice little van.
Yeah, so Chad actually asked me for something
the Omni here is super clean,
I'm not sure how
and then the blue Omni's kind of more of a driver racer, not a show car, but it's fast. So another cool small block truck here. This is a R block, R3 block, aluminum heads, Indy heads. A little bit of nitrous. Little Dakota runs low 8s. He's limited to 850 in his class, but he said it will run a low 8. Super cool guy, running 727 transmission, Ford 9 rear, but guy's real knowledgeable. Sat here and talked for a few minutes and gave me some really good information. So. Barracuda, B-class car, big block. Dodge Dart, A-class car. Don't know the setup on this one. Thing that I found on this Dart that I thought was pretty cool. He is running all stock suspension with some adjustable shocks. So torsion bars, stock brakes. This is a super fast car.
second onto that time, so that 804 is as good as a 904. Never mind. He's in the K category. He's street race, 850 limited. Can't hit it. Can't even have it in. You're done. I'm willing to make you a bet. He's probably happy that he laid down that time slip.
The good Chrysler minivan.
You didn't click the slick option?
No, but so the GL, well, it was a GLH in the left lane, which stands for goes like hell. That is now a GLMF. That is the name on the car. What kind of numbers will he run? 1070.
Look at the speed though. Are you kidding me? That little short-wheel drive car? J3 is just...
Good, but...
This is the perfect example of patina. They don't care what it looks like. Just take it out, drive, and have a good time. Like, what is it? Chrome don't get you home, or does Chrome get you home? I forget which way it is.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't get you home.
Okay.
But it might.
Well, then I might change a lot of the Chrome stuff. Fox Body Mustang, 1979 to 93, that's when they built them. So these cars are starting to become popular, you know why? Because they cost $1 zillion, and they've got a sedan style. And you know what? That kind of stiffens everything.
And then all the same stuff bolts onto it.
Check out the brake job on the Dart
He got out of it.
He was on his way to a 9-second pass and called a Chevy versus Mopar battle. Interesting. We got a couple different class cars. So that's the other one that you just kind of shoved on. David Waxman, 1984 model Camaro. 12, 10, 111. Lightning can get there first, he can run 11-second pass. He slows down to 12:45. Oh, you know what? He's going for the bullseye challenge. So that's why he slowed down.
He's trying to put it on the number.
Yeah, exactly. Tell you what, even though the, oh, never mind, that's what Tom Bailey said. Oh, that explains it. Tom Bailey just said Mike Finnegan needs this. So that would explain a 16-second pass out of the Firebird.
Yeah.
The clutch is gone.
Yep, killed the clutch of the Firebird.
Talk about a guy that... Senior veteran for National Dragster over in the Mustang on the Lucas Roadside. Former NMRA champion.
Paul Castiglione told me how to say his name. I'm best 62. Here's the two of the Turbo Mopar Mafia guys.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the fast class. A group, I need you to lanes 1 and 2. Slicks, use lane number 2. Radials, use lane number 1. A group, your first call, first lap. I need radial tire A group to lane number 1. Slick tire A group to lane number 2. Your first call to lane 2. Dude, look at that Omni just banging the gears in the left side, going 11, 132 miles an hour.
That's good.
Now stick in the bag also on my
This thing limit horizon. Are you kidding me?
That's perfect, dude.
At Gainesville, checking it out.
Oh yeah, they're all here. Like a whole bunch of people called in sick.
Another one of the Turbo Mopar Mafia, the minivan in the left lane.
I'm afraid to put it out. I'm afraid to put it out on the air. I didn't have to read this paragraph down to talk about the front-wheel drive minivan, but a 1209 at 114 out of the PPV. How about the minivan? Adam, are you kidding me? These Teslas is, if you keep the batteries up, the consistency factor is pretty solid. There's a lot of racket right now. I've got a better sense of taste than I do. But yeah, definitely something I want to pick up. improvement, but again, the thing is, we watched the 8-mile time and the problem is not getting spoiled. You're looking at that, what he runs in the 8-mile was a 5:15 at 135. If that was a heck out of the engine.
Yep, you know, we tried to
over here on the right-hand side. He's going to go ahead and ride it out the back. 913, but look at the speed. 177 miles an hour, so that's a 7. How about 810, 175 miles an hour? That's showing up strong in the light speed over 3,000. Right-hand side, modified car. Miles an hour for Nicky, Bobby. He improved.
Yeah, in fact, he was on the brakes hard or something from 1,000 foot. Because he had to really work to go that slow.
Here comes the little AMC Gremlin.
Good morning. It's now Thursday, and last night we had a little adventure that I didn't get to film, but on the way from Gainesville to now we're in Valdosta. We had a breakdown at 7:30 last night. Still riding. Got another checkpoint. Where are you going? Where are you going? So we're riding down the road and my lights went dim, and David popped the hood and it was pouring smoke. And right here, as you can see, this terminal here on the alternator is loose. So the alternator fried. And as we're on the side of the road, another sick week guy passed us in a Mustang, turned around, came back, checked on us, and was trying to help us out. A person driving by actually stopped, pulled in, and asked if we were a sick week and if we needed help. He knew a Mopar guy that actually lived across the street from where we broke down. So he was calling him, couldn't get him on the phone. And a few minutes later, the guy pulls up in his truck and he's like, holy cow, that's him. That's the guy I was just calling. Well, the guy ended up taking us back to his house and taking the alternator off of his 67 Newport. And that's what got us here. That got us another hour and a half to Valdosta and to our checkpoints. So I showed you the checkpoints on video, but I actually tried to video some of this, and my phone, I hit the wrong button, didn't record it. So anyways, we're now running with this alternator. I know that my charging system is not adequate for what I'm running, so this is going to have to get changed when I get home, but this thing is working excellent right now. So we're going to take it easy, try to not drive at night to where we're running headlights, taillights, and all that extra stuff on the charging system, and hopefully we'll be okay to get back home. We still have a long ways to go. So it's Thursday. We drive to Ocala after the track today, and then tomorrow we drive to Bradenton, and then Bradenton back to Tallahassee. So we still have, I'd say, 600 or 700 miles left to do on this trip. So wish us the best of luck. Last night, give those guys a shout out. I'm going to find them at the track today and talk to them, say thank you for stopping. The guy that got us the alternator, we gave him some money. Also, I have a die-cast Dodge Charger at the house. I'm just going to send it to his wife. She loves all that die-cast stuff, so I'm going to do that for her. But crazy times out here on Sick Week. Hope you guys are enjoying. We'll see you next time. What's happening, man?